How to fix I'm not a robot on Omegle. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix I'm not a robot on Omegle. Open up the web browser. Here search Omegle. Then open its site. Click to start a chat. Take the checkboxes in here, then press confirm and continue. Click on three dots from the top right corner. Go into settings, scroll down to site settings. Click on cookies, then tap to add site exception. Now enter the site URL as omegle.com. Then go back into location to make sure the location is on. Close all the sites and pages and restart the phone. Then turn it on and open the Omegle site in the web browser. Click to start a chat. Take the checkboxes, then click to confirm and continue. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.